Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Art by Julie E. I'm Julie E. And we're painting today on the floor of my studio in the puppy pool because I had family over this weekend for Easter and I had to use my studio as a guest room, and stuff is still kind of displaced in there, so this is what we're doing. The technique we're gonna do today is inspired by Denny Joe. It's that like ghost white marble tilting technique. And sorry, there go my notifications, of course. And I thought I'd try it with school glue, right? There's not really a recipe per se, so why not, try it with the school glue pouring medium. I know I tried to duplicate the magic white that Fiona has with the school glue pouring medium, and I got really close and the reactions look kind of similar, so that's what we went with today. I did try something new. I wanted to see how far I could stretch my pouring medium paint ratio, so instead of 2:1 I went 4:1. So 4 parts school glue pouring medium to 1 part paint. Right now I'm laying down the Artist Loft soft body or flow, whatever it's called now, black, and then the white is the school glue pouring medium, and that was 4 parts school glue pouring medium, 1 part Artist Loft soft body white, and 1 part Vallejo pearl medium. And then same with the Golden's iridescent gold fine. I went with 4 parts school glue pouring medium and 1 part paint. So there we go. There you have it. That's how I mixed my paints. The pouring medium is 70% school glue, Elmer's white school glue, and 30% water. Shake that to the point of insanity. Let it sit till the bubbles pop, and then go ahead and mix your paints. Well, I've got you here. I want to let you know this will be my regular premiere time. Like I said, don't have time to do the premiere this week, but next week we actually have a premiere train. And it'll be this way, I believe, from now on, but my time will always be at this time, 3:30 Pacific and 5:30 Eastern. So first we'll have Clara Lawrence going at 4 p.m. Eastern. She'll be live. Then after her live at 5 p.m. we'll have Just Janice, and then at 5:30 it will be me. And then after me, we go to Erika and Jeff of ATD. And then after ATD, then we go to Artapalooza over on the Artist Haven channel, where I will also be live with Tish and probably Janice and Clara also. So yeah, I hope you start joining us for this on Wednesdays. It just seems like it's going to be a whole lot of fun. All of the artists inspire me so much, so I'm really excited, and it's a nice steady time. So yeah, I'm happy. And yeah, okay, let's see, let me go ahead, put some music on for you, and while you're listening to the music and watching how this develops, please do the UB2B thingies, the likey, subscribees, and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss any new content I post. It's free to you and it helps me immensely. And it would be a great birthday gift for me. My birthday's next week. Yeah, 420 baby. Let's get me to 3,000 subscribers. How awesome would that be for a great birthday present? I would really appreciate that. Okay. Let's get some music on. Okay, here's the flyover of the wet results. I'm super enthused about this. I love it. I hope you loved it too. I don't think this is going to be dry in time to do dry results on this video. So tune in tonight over on the Artist Haven channel at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I do a live over there with Tish Winter almost every week on Wednesday nights, and yeah, I will bring this out and show you how it dried over there, or check out my Facebook page. I'll post the dry results there also, so look for that link down in my description also, and follow me on Facebook. Till next time, loves and hugs you all. Bye.